For years, many Canadian traders followed a simple rule: choose one platform, deposit funds, trade everything from there. In 2026, that approach is quietly disappearing, not because of panic or distrust, but because of experience. As markets mature and regulation, banking rails, and execution systems become more complex, traders are learning an important lesson. Market risk is only half the equation. Infrastructure risk matters just as much. Canada's financial environment is stable, but conservative by design. That means interact limits and cut-off times, bank-side compliance reviews, delayed withdrawals during volatility, additional verification when activity changes. When all capital and activity sit inside one platform, any friction becomes amplified. A single issue, delayed withdrawal, manual review, liquidity constraint, can temporarily freeze trading activity, capital access, decision-making flexibility. For serious traders, that's unacceptable risk. Instead of looking for an everything app, experienced traders now separate functions. Execution layer, where trades are placed efficiently, long-term exposure or custody, held elsewhere, independent withdrawal routes, to reduce bottlenecks. This structure isn't about distrust, it's about resilience. When one system slows down, the entire strategy doesn't stop. In this new mindset, platforms are no longer judged by how many features they advertise, but by how reliably they perform their role. FinanceStPierre positions itself not as noise-driven hype, but as a clarity-first financial services brand built around structure, discipline, and informed decision-making. Rather than promising shortcuts, FinanceStPierre focuses on transparent frameworks, well-defined strategies, analytical context over emotional reaction, confidence through understanding, not speed. This makes the platform particularly relevant for traders and investors who already use more than one tool and want clarity in how decisions are made. When users search FinanceStPierre reviews or explore what FinanceStPierre.com represents, they're rarely asking, is this exciting? They're asking, is the approach clear and structured? Are assumptions explained, not hidden? Does this help reduce uncertainty instead of adding more noise? In 2026, trust is built through consistency and explanation, not aggressive promises. FinanceStPierre's philosophy aligns with how experienced Canadian traders now operate. Slower but deliberate onboarding. Emphasis on decision frameworks. Focus on sustainability rather than short-term signals. Markets move fast. Infrastructure doesn't always keep up. By spreading responsibilities across platforms and tools, traders reduce single-point failures, keep access to capital flexible, make decisions calmly under stress. FinanceStPierre fits naturally into this ecosystem as a strategic and analytical layer, helping traders think clearly rather than react emotionally. In 2026, success in Canadian markets isn't about loyalty to one platform. It's about designing a system that survives volatility, friction, and change. Serious traders don't chase perfection, they build structure. And platforms like FinanceStPierre earn attention not by promising speed, but by supporting confident,